live in Nyla at home. You're going to watch this division from whatever rule. I got a little sticker above my door. First off, it says Stephen Drew. Bob, don't disappoint me.
No, I've got the bigger size.
Oh, yeah, the Plus. Yeah, I became an Apple kid in 2013. I got an iMac at home.
I just got one in November.
Love that desktop computer.
Yep.
I even used the heck out of the PC.
I'm discovering that it does.
Yeah. You know, I think there's computers and then there's computers.
I hear you.
This is a really good. We get the sometimes we continue to stop. And then you know that the guys that have kids around, I really show them the kids. I show them the shit. Can't you do it? The greater time says the kind of that 2 years later, I was really good at 56.
Yeah, this is our super train we get.
Takes a little while to get back.
So we get trains that are very, very, very with lots of engines. Anybody pushing?
Yeah, there's two back here.
They don't run jump their train.
Not with the windy stuff.
I mean, the engines, they don't close up and push up hard.
You look close, it's just kind of a nice little. You remember when I had the 53 year?
I don't remember, but anyway.
I think it's 37 yards. You didn't even know
The building is a constant one scale per lot. So that's just the main one. One loop, this one like that. So one loop around the main office. believe it or not, these two trains are actually run opposite directions. They
The one coming up. The trip over the Vita Pass was really spectacular.